In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite an administrator to your Unbounce account. Let's walk through the process together, step by step, so you know exactly where to click and what each option means. Start by logging in to your Unbounce account using your usual credentials. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the screen for your profile avatar. It's the small, circle-shaped icon. Click that, and from the drop-down menu, choose Account Management. This is where you'll find the settings that affect your overall account and user access. On the left-hand sidebar, you'll see several sections. Click on Users. This page lists everyone who currently has access to your account, along with their roles. To add someone new, go to the top right of the user's screen and click the Invite button. This opens the Invite dialog, where you'll set the details for the person you're adding. In the email field, enter the email address of the person you want to invite. Make sure it's an address they actively use, since the invitation will be sent there and they'll need it to complete the process. Next, under Role, select Administrator. The administrator role grants high-level permissions, including access to account-wide settings and management tools. Only assign this level if you trust the person to help oversee your account. You'll also see a field labeled Client. If you want this person to function as a global admin across your entire account, leave the Client field blank. That tells Unbounce that this administrator should manage everything, not just a specific segment. If at some point you prefer to limit admins to particular areas, this field is where you would make that distinction. But for full account administration, keeping it blank is the right choice. Once everything looks good, click Add User. That sends the invitation to the email address you entered. Let the person know to watch for the message and to check their spam or promotions folder if it doesn't appear right away. They must accept the invitation by following the link in the email to gain access. Until they accept, they won't be able to log in as an administrator. And that's it. You've invited an administrator to your Unbounce account. If you don't see the options mentioned, make sure you have sufficient permissions on your own user. Otherwise, this flow is all you need to securely add a trusted admin and keep your account running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you want to follow along in real time.